What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
And I'm Landon, and today we're here to unbox the Air Jordan 3 Maniere collab, Raised by Women. All right, so thanks for coming back to check us out for an unboxing. So let's jump right in. So these, first off, come in a really cool protective sleeve. Just slides right off the box. It's got the A for the Maniere logo. I hope I'm saying that right, but really clean. And then, of course, you got the classic Jumpman flight logo on top. Really nice box.
So, and then on for the sides of the box are pretty plain, as you can see. They're just whites on the sides, and then on the front and the back are the same Jordan logo in that kind of like that cool gray color.
It's almost like a burgundy color, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little.
It's like it's like that violet color. We'll get into that on the shoe a little bit, but it's kind of like a violet color that matches the shoe.
Yeah, super dope. And then for the pricing of the three, we're looking at a $200 even.
Not bad for this shoe, but let's not waste our time. Let's check these out.
Dive in.
Oh my, what a clean shoe. So first, before we really touch on the shoe, we do want to give you a little bit of a history on what makes this collab so sweet. So first of all, James Whitner is actually the owner of Maniere. Again, I hope I'm saying that right. But he actually grew up in the projects, and what he did is he kind of aims to connect back to the community and the culture. That's kind of what the Maniere brand is all about itself. So that's kind of what he aims to do with this shoe.
Yeah, so James Whitner actually chose the 3 model because this was the first model ever that his mom bought for him. And, as he was growing up in the projects, he really did idolize Michael Jordan. And with Maniere, his whole brand, he wanted to have a more luxurious look. So his favorite part of this Jordan 3 is actually the gray suede, which is you can see on
it replaces the animal print.
Exactly.
So that's what you typically see, the animal print here and up here on the 3, and he replaced it. So that is super tough. And then we were doing a little more digging into it because it's a super nice collab. So you want to find all the small details that make it that cool. Something that's really nice is on the back. It's kind of tough to see, but if you peel back that Nike heel tab, it actually says, what does it say? All we have is each other. It says all we have is each other, and that's actually written in his mom's handwriting. So like I was saying, it's like a Raised by Women is the colorway name. So he kind of empathizes with that a lot, since that's kind of what he went through. And to throw his mom's handwriting on the back of that on a place you can't even see it, I bet 95% of people will never know that's there.
No, we were talking about it, and we were looking it up, and we could not find it on actual stock images. So that's just really cool that we were able to do that. And actually, on the right shoe, it doesn't say, it has a little different handwriting compared to yours. Mine actually says you have to be comfortable working alone.
What?
So I
actually did not know that.
There's a lot of detail when it comes into this 3, and I can't wait to really dive into it.
No, but the thing is, there's a lot of detail, but still, you're just looking at the shoe, right? And it kind of just looks like another Air Jordan 3. You got those premium materials, you got the suede, but it's not you don't have stuff like a Sakai where you'd have branding everywhere and different modifications to the shoe. One of my favorite parts on the shoe is on the inside, you get that quilted look. That's a really nice touch. But let's just tackle these from the front. So first off, in the front, if you're looking at them, you got on yours, it's got the.
Yeah, on the right side of the shoe, you just have the typical Jumpman logo on the tongue.
And then they mismatched that and put the A for the Maniere
on the left side.
I gotta stop saying the brand if it's wrong. But yeah, they put the A on the left shoe. So I like that mismatch. They do that. I've seen that done before. I forget what it's on, but they've done that before.
Yeah, I think
the
Union?
mismatching.
Was it a Union?
It might have been the Union or something like that. But yeah, it's not the first time. Something else is cool on the left shoe. It comes with that, that violet Nike Air tag. These are cool, man. I love these little bubble tags.
Yeah.
I have a few of these.
I agree.
And then it's just got the Maniere tag on there as well, which is just a nice little touch.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's kind of pretty simple up the middle. You got a little more gray suede up there near the shoe, where the shoelaces are. Very, very subtle touches though that just make this nice. For the outside of the shoe, I mean, I guess you got.
Yeah, on the right side or the right shoe, it does come with an extra pair of, I would say, maybe a kind of off-whitish tan looking laces, which honestly I'm gonna have to favor. If these were my size, I would probably go with the tan instead of the white.
The tan would really bring out the so you go with the tan, right? Because then you turn it to the side, and you got this aged yellowing midsole, which is mean, people do that now. Like people like to buy all white shoes and stuff like that, heat them up and like age them. Like
Yeah.
I'm sure you've seen that.
Oh,
People
yeah.
do that all the time. Like you take an Air Jordan 3 or something like that and you just age it to make it look like a retro. I mean, they did this for you. You don't even got to do that.
And also,
that's a nice touch.
Also, I'd like to mention also the laces, the eyelets of the laces actually have words on them, and they say "work harder," and they say it on both of them. So I just wanted to point that out before we dive into the outside.
That's always a mentality that applies to everything. Man.
So, like I said in the beginning, so many details have been going into the shoe. You can just tell that it just Maniere, all about luxury, and it is literally. This is what I would expect for a luxurious shoe.
Because it's one of those luxurious shoes to where you don't have to do too much. Like I feel like there's a subtle difference between luxurious and hype.
Yeah.
Like luxurious is like something like this,
Subtle.
something that looks pristine, and then hype is like this is gonna catch
Flashy.
your attention.
I agree.
Something like that.
Yeah. So
let's go ahead. So then you also got that like violet right there, which is I'm pretty sure if you look back, it's pretty close to that box color, right?
Kind of
it's really close to that Jumpman logo.
It's a little darker,
and it matches the Nike Air Tab as well. But
so then moving on to the back, you have the typical Nike swoosh Air, logo and lettering. Obviously, like we said in the beginning, it does have that inside the heel tab. It has his mother's handwriting, which is a super cool feature.
And I mean, it matches the midsole too with that aged or like cream kind of yellowing look on the back, which is nice. I just think the color scheme of these, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, it ties in.
Color scheme's ridiculous.
Yeah, I was gonna say on the inside, it's pretty simple. It's just like the outside of the shoe. You're still looking at the beautiful tumbled white leather.
Yes.
On the heel tab, still you have that suede that wraps around the whole heel, and you're kind of giving. It looks to the original eye. If you didn't know the story behind the shoe, it would be kind of simple. People would think, honestly, you would almost think it's a knockoff.
Yeah.
But
no, for real.
But
until you see the inside,
quality,
though,
the quality of it.
Yeah. Well, we'll go to the outside real quick because the outsole is pretty simple. You know, it's got that burgundy showing back up again in the gray, so we won't waste too much time there. But the inside on the top is where this is my favorite part of the shoe.
Yeah.
Hands down. Yeah. Like you have that quilted gray in there. Oh my gosh. It looks so much better than I can show.
Yeah.
It's one of those things where I was looking at it on just like stock photos and I'm like, it looks like it'd be pretty decent. Like it's going to look nice. And then it looks nicer. Like it looks even nicer. Where's even it's way down on the inside. Cause on the inside where you typically in most shoes, you're going to get the, all the sizing information on the inside of the tongue. Not on these. They kept it full luxurious, man. They didn't want to blow that up. You think about it, how awkward would that look?
That would be.
That would
definitely throw it off.
Yeah,
for sure.
Throwing the sizing tab on there.
And then also to top it all off, the insole has mine just has the A.
Oh, really? So, all right. So they mismatched that. So mine actually has the Jumpman.
Okay.
So on the tongue, mine has the A, but the Jumpman logo inside. And then on yours, you got the Jumpman, but
no, mine's just the A.
Well, you got the Jumpman on the tongue, but the A on the inside.
Right.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So they mismatched that part of it. That's cool. But see, like those are the things,
those
right?
are the details.
What's the point of that other than to just do it? You know?
And they are removable.
Yeah.
They are removable.
What's the point of that other than just do it? But man, overall, thoughts on these shoes?
Amazing. I honestly,
that means a lot coming from him.
If I could choose, I think this is the 3 of the year. I don't know if this is the Jordan of the year. We're still kind of early. It's only summer. You also have the Off-White 50 collection coming out. So
this has been hyped though. For a while.
This is a very, very luxurious Jordan 3.
And it goes with everything, which is something that I always look for because of course you're gonna want those Chicago shoes and the Royals and stuff like that, but you got to either wear neutral colored shoes or something blue or something red. This has just got that nice aged finish to it. I mean, you could wear this with like jeans or khakis or something like that. Like I feel like this goes with about anything. And I'm not a huge Jordan 3 fan, and this is just money. Absolute money. All right, thank you guys for stopping by to check us out again. We always love doing these unboxing videos.
And definitely in the comments below, let us know what you guys think about this shoe. And is this Jordan 3 the Jordan of the year? Definitely, I want to know your comments. And then also, while we have you, definitely check out in our description if you want to get any of our other socials, or if you even want to shop or maybe even buy these Jordan 3s. But that's all we have for this episode. And until next time.
Peace.